In the ongoing drive of the Modi-led fascist Indian regime against Kashmiri employees, Professor Dr. Sheikh Showkat has been sacked as principal of the Kashmir Law College, Srinagar, on the concocted charge of having links with pro-freedom organizations. The main allegation against him is that Dr. Sheikh Showkat has been supporter of the resistance and participated at a convention titled Azadi at Press Club of India, New Delhi in 2016. However, Dr. Showkat refuted the charge. He said that he had been serving as an educationalist throughout his life in different institutions, and whatever he wrote is available and open to everyone. Dr. Showkat is among over 500 Kashmiri government employees who have been terminated from their services by the BJP regime since August 2019. Senior all-parties Hurriyat conference leaders Naeem Ahmed Khan and Ghulam Ahmed Kulsa, in their statements from Tihar Jail, New Delhi and Central Jail, Srinagar, said that fresh sacking is part of a crackdown launched by India's communal government to oust the local Kashmiri employees and replace them with extremist Hindus from outside to advance its Hindutva agenda in Jammu and Kashmir. Meanwhile, a special NIA court in New Delhi, notorious for implicating and punishing Kashmiris in fake cases, today said it will frame formal charges against Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front chairman Muhammad Yasin Malik and other Kashmiri detainees on April 18th in connection with a fictitious case. The All-Parties Hurriyat Conference General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani has expressed profound concern over rising Indian state terrorism in the occupied territory. Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that Kashmiri people are peace-loving and it is Modi-led India which, out of arrogance and intransigence, has unleashed bloodshed in the occupied territory. The family members of a policeman who was found hanging inside the room of his friend in Rajouri district on March 10th this year staged a protest in Mendhar Punch demanding constitution of a special investigation team to the murder of their kin. In India, curfew has been imposed in Madhya Pradesh's Khargone city after Hindutva goons vandalized Muslim properties. Shops, houses and vehicles belonging to Muslims were torched in several areas of the city. In another incident associated with the student wing of the ruling BJP Jawaharlal Nehru University in New Delhi, the opposition Congress and Janata Dal Secular have blamed the ruling BJP for creating unrest in the society, particularly in southern Indian state of Karnataka, through aiding and abetting Hindutva organizations. On the other hand, the series of communal anti-Muslim incidents and fears are being expressed that the reputation of information technology hub Bengaluru city of southern Indian state of Karnataka is getting hit at the global level.